Today I'm changing the turn signal on Cadillac ATS 2015. This is the what's look like from the factory. Here's when you open the door. It's like this. What I want to do to be like this one, LED. When you open the door, it's LED. What are you going to do? You have to remove the bulb from there, twist it and pull it out. Here's the bulb. Pull the bulb out. I bought those about $15, $15. And this is coming with it. You can put it with the fuse box. When you turn on the car, here's have a fuse inside for the white. This is for the white, for this line. What I did, I took a line from here. I wanted to look like factory, and at here it was have a rubber on here, and those are joker. Here all rubber. Just you gonna put it there and push it tight. It's gonna stuck on there. I put the factory rubber on here to be good, to not get water inside. What are you gonna do? You're gonna put it there and push. And here you go. This is how it look like. Very nice. It's looking very bright.